40 साल of her industry.
As a child, I always wanted short hair. Saturday ko jude bana ke. Now West wasn't catering to my skin tone and my unique.
And you've been the trendsetter rather than following the. It's a beautiful thing to say.
Nabila has become a brand.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome to yet another exciting episode of Sunday Unscripted with me, your boy Uzan Khan. And today's episode is very special and very near to my heart. And why am I saying this? I'm saying this because I'm sitting today with fashion icon, the industry icon. नाम अगर मैं ले लूँ तो फिर मुझे इंट्रोडक्शन की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, लेकिन मुझे इंट्रोडक्शन देनी है because I really want to. She has been here and she's the undisputed queen of this industry, and by queen I mean she has been here for like 4 decades, and we're going to be celebrating 40 saal of her industry, of her being in the industry. बहुत बातें हैं करने को, बहुत achievements है discuss करने को, but I'll just cut it short and introduce the one and only Nabila. How are you?
Thank you. I'm well, and thank you for such an amazing introduction.
Thank you so much for being here firstly, and honestly what I said in the intro is absolutely correct, because I really was looking forward to doing this with you for the longest, but they ride the rustai. That's how we say it. What inspired you to start your journey in the industry, and especially in beauty? Mm-hmm. What was that pushed you ki, acha, I want to do something like this in this?
So I started with hair. Okay. You know, hair is my métier, and it started with bad haircuts. As a child, I always wanted short hair, and I always got really bad haircuts. And at that time, you know, my mother used to take us to her वो Saturday को जूड़े बना के ना वो सारे rollers लगा के set करते थे back in the 70s. So I used to go to her hairdressers and they could never do my hair right, and they would say आपके बाल ऐसे हैं, वो सीधे हैं, इसलिए चोंच निकलती है. Then I would just start cutting the चोंचे that they would myself. And then by the time I was 21, after both my kids were born, I realized that I actually do a better job than them. They don't know how to do this. So I started to cut my own hair, my children's hair, husband's hair, then friends, neighbors, all of that. And that's when I sold my wedding diamonds and went to Vidal Sassoon, London, which I believe is my mecca for learning. And that's when I learned, came back, and I had a little maid's room which was 8 by 8. I put a plank, a plastic chair, a mirror, and that's how I got started.
But that's a journey where you started from, and today you're everywhere, literally. So kudos to you. Kudos for putting so much effort and so much. That's passion, pure passion, I think.
Yes.
Because so, passion ke alawa, I don't think anybody could pull off such.
Yeah. It was never because कोई business करना है, पैसे बनाना है, कोई profession चाहिए. नहीं, it's always the quest for perfection. I think that's also a disease. That I wanted to look good. I needed solutions for myself. You know, so the hair, खुद करते करते अपने बाल became a business. And same thing for zero makeup. I had dark circles, and I needed a solution because the West wasn't catering to my skin tone and my unique coloring, etc. So I think वो कहते हैं ना ज़रूरत इजाद की माँ है.
So आपने इजाद भी किया, and we'll come back to that also. What was the motivation during the tough times in your career? Like obviously there's highs and there's lows, and what was the thing that motivated you to get out of the lows?
So not just in career, I think life is in cycles of ups and downs. And whichever career you're in, or just generally in life, family के अंदर day to day there are highs and lows, and you need to stay on track. You need to self motivate. You need to focus. वो कहते हैं ना ना उम्मीदी नहीं होनी चाहिए. That's गुनाह. हमारे religion में भी कहते हैं ना उम्मीदी गुनाह है. So you have to have that hope, and you have to look forward to something and then manifest that in life. So think positive and drive yourself out of the depression, out of the lows, because वक्त एक सा नहीं रहता ना, अच्छा ना बुरा.
And then you have to, I think, shape yourself with times as well. Okay, just at times change, because I've studied your journey also. You have changed with time, and you have been the trendsetter rather than following the trend. So how does that even like comprise in that?
So वो कहते हैं कि जब तूफान आता है तो घास जो होती है वो ऐसे ऐसे करके बच जाती है और जब दरख्त हिलते नहीं है वो टूट जाते हैं. And I think there is something to learn from that you have to be flexible and adapt yourself to the requirement of today.
Yeah.
I can't bask in my glory from 30 years. I have to be current today.
Yeah.
Whether
And
relevant. You know, जो trends हैं, जो business है, जो रुझान हैं, जो clients हैं, जो thinking हैं, जो business है, everything is changing very rapidly and you need to change with time.
That's so true. That's so true. इसके साथ ही मैं एक क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, हाउ डू यू डिफाइन सक्सेस?
Good question. I feel if I'm in control of my time, to use it the way I want to use, for me that is wealth and that is success.
Amazing. That's a beautiful thing to say. Nabila's has always been at the forefront of innovation in beauty. How do you keep reinventing, as we already spoke about, that you need to be flexible in everything, but obviously it needs a lot of thought process, strategy, because ultimately Nabila's is a brand. It caters to business as well.
Yes. Nabila has become a brand. You know, and when people ask me how did you make this brand, I don't know, because I wasn't out to make a brand. I'm not an MBA. I was just a passionate person with my career, with my profession, with my skill, and I tried to do the best every day. And doing that consistently has made it a brand. It's not the other way around. So, you know, doing the right thing. मैं कहती थी अगर मेरा एक भी क्लाइंट है तो मैं बहुत अच्छी तरह से उसको खुश करूँगी.
अभी तक ऐसे ही होता है.
हाँ, तो चाहे दिन में अगर आपके 150 क्लाइंट है या 3 क्लाइंट है, you have to do your best every day.
Yeah, because that's how word of mouth जाता है, फिर लोग वापस दोबारा आते हैं. They keep on the relationship. I think that depends on the relationship that you have with your client.
Exactly, and I never kind of, you know, am happy with all the happy clients that I have, but एक जो होगा जिसको नहीं पसंद है, I'm going to fix it. I'm going to fix it because I don't want to hear just flattery. I want to really have happy clients.
So amazing strategy. As इसी को मैं follow up करते हुए, the artistic impression, it's very important in the business strategy, हर चीज में, लेकिन उसको business में भी transform करना is same important. So how do you keep the balance?
You mean balance between
your artistic
business and creativity?
Yeah, creativity.
Exactly. So, you know, it's a tough question.
Yeah, it is.
So first of all, I have to be honest to my vision.
Yeah.
And if there is a trend or a look
or your
or something,
take on the trend,
so I have to first of all not ignore that. My calling, my vision, my feel, my mood board for the next season. But then I have to dilute it. I have to dilute it for the, like, think global, act local.
Yeah.
You know?
That's very important.
So I have to bring the current trends but translate them into our sensibility, make it bite size and
क्योंकि हमारी खालाएं फूफियां जो असल कंज्यूमर है आपका, वो तो यही है ना. वो तो वो नहीं चाहेंगे जो वहाँ हो रहा है कि पिंक बाल बना लिए मैंने तो हम भी सबको बोले पिंक करे. ऐसे तो नहीं हो सकता. Obviously you have to cater to the local audience.
लेकिन you can take that pink and add a little bit to their blonde, you know, regular बाल में हल्का सा blush डाल सकते हैं. So take the trends and make it local and palatable.
So true. How would you define beauty standards in Pakistan?
Vanilla. Plain vanilla. Everyone looks the same. सबके
glowing skin होनी चाहिए, मुझे गोरा दिखाओ.
Smoky eyes, nude lips, long glares, soft brown hair.
और Hollywood waves.
बस.
That's
so
true.
I wish women would experiment. I wish they would express themselves and create their own individual.
Even our artist is very vanilla when it comes to the makeup and beauty. Plain vanilla, that's true. If you could go back in time and give yourself one piece of advice, what would it be?
I never go back in time. I look forward. I never look back.
I love that attitude. That's how I call her a queen for a reason. So that's the queen attitude that you need to have in your life. If an industry is driven by our industry basically is driven by consumerism, right? where do you draw ethical line between selling beauty services and encouraging self-acceptance?
There's a lot of talk
because
about.
हमारे यहाँ golden pearl भी मिलता है, वो भी जाता है, सब कुछ जाता है. So how do you keep that segregation with your brand? As you have a makeup line as well now.
I am true to myself, and God forbid I'll ever sell something that I won't buy. So that is my benchmark for selling.
Yeah.
So, and now with my own product line, the whole purpose or the intention is to empower my clients so they don't need to come to the salon.
To be very honest,
often.
I need to give you compliment on camera. I've used the men's ka blurring pen, right? Sometimes we don't get sleep and this and that, so and it really works. And especially with my complexion, वहाँ पे बहुत options कम होती है आपके पास, क्योंकि मैंने एक दफ़ा किया था because I was feeling very like I had flu, so मेरा नाक रेड हो गया, मेरे कान रेड हो गए, you know. So I told the guy at this local salon that मुझे थोड़ा साफ कर दो ताकि मैं normal दिखूँ. मुझे एक टोन में 2-3 टोन का, ये मेरा बिल्कुल वाइट है, बिल्कुल काला हो गया था यहाँ पे.
See, that's why I say कि गोरे को हमारा skin नहीं पता. And I think the success of my product is the experience that I have of our skin tone. And when I say our skin tone, I mean brown skin, and I mean subcontinent की brown skin. Okay, so you are very fair, but your eyes are still dark. Your hair is still dark, and the pigments that your body will throw, or your skin will throw, or your dark circles will have, is different from the gora pigment.
That's true.
So उसका solution भी
यहाँ देसी होना चाहिए हमारे पास.
Exactly.
Local.
So from the people for the people.
Yeah, so true. And now coming towards a bit like spicy questions. You have transformed so many countless celebrities, and that I know. So, with your signature styling, obviously, कोई regret है किसी को transform करके?
नहीं, God forbid, नहीं, जो काम किया अच्छा किया, इज्जत से किया, और बहुत वो admire हुआ.
Okay, so no regret.
No regret.
Of any collaboration or anything.
No.
Great. If you weren't Nabila, the industry icon, who would you be today? I think
I would never be a wallflower. I would still
be doing something.
Stick out and do something.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I could have been an architect. I could have been a stylist. I could have.
Actress.
No. I know I want to be behind this.
Okay.
I'm not the king. I'm the kingmaker.
Oh, nice. You're the queen, and you make them. That's true. You have been vocal about originality in styling. Have you ever felt that your work has been copied by people?
That's flattery, and yes, not just my work, but my entire persona has also been copied by people. But good, that's flattery. That's flattery, and that's why like technology, fashion changes
every 3 years,
minute,
every 4 years. Yeah,
3 years we need. I would say 3 months. Everything has changed.
Yeah.
So you have to keep ahead of time so others can follow.
And she is ahead of time, guys. Now, mashallah, you have your makeup line, your hair line, and fragrances, and there's tons of things happening in the future also. So can you tell us about that as well?
So my literally transfer from service to product has been the past decade of my focus.
Yeah.
And
because zero makeup palettes, they really work and everybody loves it. Honestly.
Yes, and the brand extension, I don't know if you've seen it, but now we have almost 35 SKUs.
Yeah.
And we've gone into colors, we've gone into lip colors, we're coming up with
nails,
more
everything,
specific things that cater to brown skin, the subcontinent skin. So I think we're in the right direction, and I'm applying the same philosophy now to the hair care line because our hair is also different. The brown that we have, the blonde that we want to be,
and the jet black that we have,
and the blonde that we want to be, and the problems that we face, and the solutions.
So I did this really stupid thing back 3-4 months, 5 months. So my hair is like my beard, right? They are brownish, something, and I wanted it to be blonde. So I was in Karachi. The funny thing happened to me. So I was in Karachi and I went to the salon and they were like, oh, let's do it. It will be fun and we're great in the business and this and that. And they literally manipulated me to do it. And I was like, okay, let's do it. They added so much to my hair, the what is it called, bleach, that my skull was damaged. It was all red. There was with chote pimples and this and that. And literally when I saw it, after 2 days, the color just whitewashed and it became some yellow thing, which I was like, okay, what to do with this now? So now I am applying colors just to get rid of those after effects.
You see, those are the things. First of all, you know, I mean, hair is a science.
Yeah.
Makeup, you can apply anything and wash your face, but hair is a science, especially the chemicals. And that's why while I could cut hair before I went to school, I never charged before I was trained because I needed to know the science 100%, of it.
Yeah.
And especially chemicals, I never touched till I was highly trained in chemical work. So, you know, you can never compromise the integrity of your hair. Like you said, आपके scalp पे blotches हो गए, pimples हो गए. So you have to be very careful with what you're using. And also, you know, exactly my point, that because our hair is dark, we make it light, the red throws out, the blonde becomes yellow.
Yellow. Yeah. The bad yellow.
The gold becomes orange.
Yeah.
The bronze
Simpsons
becomes
type लग
red.
रहा था मैं उस time
Exactly. So उसके counter करने के लिए we have the hair care line where we have launched the brunette and blonde color lock. So that does all the work for you. So you reduce your trips to the salon. तो my team says कि आप तो अपना salon बंद करा देंगी, हमारे पास कौन आएगा, आप तो सबको product दे रही हैं. I said don't worry.
लोग आएंगे.
We have to empower the clients.
Exactly. So now we have our spicy rapid fire questions for Nabila. Okay. First question. So it is rapid and fiery, but I need answers rapid and fiery. So which means you have no time to answer.
You want to get me into trouble.
No. There's no trouble. It's just being honest.
Okay.
You have been honest, Rasa, to be very honest. Overrated trends you wish would disappear.
Weddings.
Okay. You don't like the chimko eyeliner?
I don't like anything about it. I think it's waste of time. It's waste of money. They focus on things that they shouldn't be focusing on. वो लड़की लड़का क्या कैसे रहेंगे, उनकी compatibility है कि नहीं है, financial क्या होंगे, उनके emotional क्या होंगे, living arrangements क्या होंगे, उन चीजों को छोड़ के डांस कौन सा होगा, जोड़ा किसका होगा, फूल कौन लाएगा.
आप वो सारे पैसे बचा के go travel the world.
Exactly.
That would be.
Don't waste your money.
That's true. One makeup myth that drives you crazy.
Oil your hair.
Oh, you shouldn't?
Not everyone should oil their hair. Oil makes dry hair drier.
Oh. And every time दादी नानी सबने कहा है कि बालों को तेल लगा.
जब क्लाइंट आके कहते हैं ना कि वो हम तेल लगाते हैं, भूसे जैसे बाल हैं और तेल लगाते हैं. मैंने कहा वो ठीक हो गए, कहते हैं नहीं मगर वो दादी ने कहा था. तो I said you have to believe in what the results will say. रिजल्ट मिल रहा है तो जरूर लगाएं. अगर नहीं मिल रहा है तो क्वेश्चन तो करें कि हमको क्या करना चाहिए.
मुझे तेल से वैसे I have
no oil makes dry hair drier. So there are other things that dry hair should do. Normal hair, oily hair, it's okay to oil. But you know, there is oil and there is oil.
So there's a tip for the day, guys. You shouldn't oil your dry hair. Fair or dusky? Who gets more opportunities in Pakistan?
In Pakistan, if you're not fair, unfortunately, you can't get your foot in the door.
Can I get my foot in the door then?
Unfortunately. Personally, I love to be a little darker than I was born. So I'm always spending time in the sun trying to get a tan. I love brown skin. I own brown skin. But यहाँ पे unfortunately हमारी वो जो गोरे की ज़हनियत है वो अभी तक गई नहीं.
बल्कि और उबट के आ रही है आपस की बात है. Which celebrity needs a major style intervention? I told you it's fiery and rapid.
None.
Oh, everybody's going good. That is very diplomatic. Okay. Makeup or no makeup? What's the real definition?
No makeup.
No makeup. Just get the palette ASAP, guys.
Makeup that doesn't look like makeup.
Makeup, obviously. लेकिन हमारे यहाँ I have done tons of shoots where the salon people they come to me and say आपने तो मेकअप का शूट करना था लेकिन इसमें मेकअप तो नजर ही नहीं आ रहा. मैंने कहा है
You know, जब आपकी नजर मेकअप पे पड़ जाए तो वो मेकअप की हार है.
मैंने एक कवर किया था नीलम मुनीर खान के साथ. I'm just acknowledging on the camera, but it was terrible because the salon was involved in it and they just spent 3 घंटे on that girl Neelam Munir and made her like 10 years older
And she's such a pretty girl.
Yeah, and there was like glitter और ये और वो और मैं बोल ही जा रहा हूँ ना करें please don't do it नहीं नहीं बस थोड़ा सा रह गया थोड़ा सा और bright करें इसको और bright वैसा वाला situation थी. And afterwards I've just realized that I need to work with the makeup artist rather than the salons.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was my first and last experience though. If not beauty, which career?
Architecture.
You like that?
I love that.
Okay. One beauty product you think is useless?
I'm sure सबके कुछ काम होते होंगे, but I personally feel less is more. I feel buy less, use more. I feel take the guesswork out. I feel don't have to have a dressing table full of a regime of 70, you know, like when they say, oh, उसने तो 60 shades निकाले हैं, and I'm like, क्यों निकाले हैं? लोगों को confuse करने निकाले हैं?
Because उसमें से 10 hardly use होंगे.
Exactly. तो आपने 60 क्यों निकाले हैं फिर जब 10 use होंगे? तो why you wasting? Well, anyway, that's my concept. That less is more.
Less is more. If you could erase one past beauty trend, what would it be? जो पुराने ज़माने में
threaded eyebrows. I hated them. I love bushy eyebrows. वो जो पतले पतले थे, जिन्होंने 70s
में पेन से बनाते थे literally.
हाँ, जिन्होंने 70s में वो threading की ना, फिर वो उगे ही नहीं. They're stuck with it.
That's true. Okay, one rule at Nabila's that no one dares to break.
So I start with punctuality. Like we have to book appointments, come in time.
Yeah.
Then we don't try not to. At least when I'm there, या मुझसे डर के तो talk to clients about इधर उधर की बातें. We just stick to their
business.
The business and their hair.
Yeah.
किसी की बुराई करना. So इन चीज़ों में I'm very particular about being professional.
Yeah. And lastly, we have all the questions done. Thank you so much for your time. But I really want you, as you are inspiration to so many people, so many young girls, to be very honest, is we don't have women icons so much in the industry. There are few of them, few like you and few others. So what advice would you give to the young girls that are watching right now?
So I would say follow your passion, whatever you like to do, identify that. You know, like हमें तो कि आप या डॉक्टर बनेंगे या इंजीनियर बनेंगे. और अगर I remember उस टाइम पे कॉमर्स आया तो because my mother didn't know commerce, she didn't let me take commerce.
Okay.
So you know, she didn't know what commerce was. So नहीं डॉक्टर. You know, so आई थिंक अभी इतने प्रोफेशंस हैं, इतनी लड़कियां बहुत अमेजिंग काम कर रही हैं. आप घर से काम कर सकते हैं, आप यू नो ऑनलाइन काम कर सकते हैं, आप टीचिंग कर सकते हैं, आप बाहर के लिए बैक एंड ऑफिस किसी का बन सकते हैं, आप बहुत से काम कर सकते हैं. तो आई वुड से जस्ट ओपन योर माइंड, एक्सप्लोर, लुक एट योर लाइफ स्टाइल, फाइंड योर नीश, वर्क ऑन द पैशन, and make that your income point. And everyone must be financially independent. So please do not count on finding a rich husband. Become the rich husband.
So true. And आपने बहुत लोगों का business खराब किया इस time पे, लेकिन चले कोई नहीं. Thank you so much for your time. It was pleasure. And the cover is coming out as well. We are super excited for that. And with that, अगर आपको ये episode अच्छी लगी, please leave your comment and like, share and subscribe. And just let's meet next week again. Bye.